Hi, in this video we will show how you can integrate along with Omnisend to create custom automation workflows for sending review requests. Here's how to do it. Go to External Integrations, and in Integrations, select the Omnisend card. Enable this option, and after that, in your Omnisend dashboard, select Store Setting. Then, in Integrations and API, select API Keys. If you don't have one, click on Create API Key. After you have an API key, copy it and place it back in Opinew. Click Save. And now the Omnisend preferences were updated successfully. If you now go to your custom event section in Omnisend, you will be able to see the new custom events. Customer left a review on Opinew, and customer is eligible for Opinew review request. That means the integration is successful, and you will be able to use it for creating automation workflows for sending review requests. Send review request flow via Omnisend, we need to do this. Go to Collect Reviews and Request Schedule. After that, enable the Send Email via Omnisend option. Then, back in Omnisend, go to Automation and New Workflow. Click Create Custom Workflow, and then this page will show up. This is where you will create the email template for the flow. The email will be automatically sent to user if it's eligible. In order to do that, click on Trigger. After that, in the drop-down menu, select Customer is eligible for Opinew review request. Click Update. After that, grab the email action and place it below the trigger, and set a subject for your email, a pre-header, the sender name, and the email address. Once you're done, click on Edit Content. This is the email editor. You can grab a text icon, place it wherever you want, and here you can write the content of the email. You can use the same merge tags you use in Opinew by clicking on this icon, and in Custom Event, clicking on the one you want to use, for example, customer name. We can set something like "Hi customer name, please give a review of our product name. Here's the link." Event and review request link. Once you're done, you can click on Save and go back. If everything looks good, you can now click on Start Workflow. And that's it. Now the review request email flow will be sent to users via Omnisend.